Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So I have been waiting to unbox this with you guys. These are the new perfumes from KKW and I have literally had them boxed here in my beauty room for about a week. I just wasn't up for videos. So I haven't even used them, I haven't seen them. Let's hope they're all intact. And let's unbox this together. So I did order all three. They retail for $45. Shipping sucks, but I sucked it up. And I was super impressed because KKW sent me a coupon for 10% off any perfume, my next purchase, which is for me like, whoa, because she doesn't even do free shipping. So I don't know if it ever expires, but is a one-time coupon for 10% off, which will pretty much cover shipping. So I will keep that in my email for future, because if I like these, I may order one for a giveaway. So this, and let me know if you'd be interested in one for a giveaway. They were so cute. Look at the packaging. Oh my gosh. How can you even throw that away? Like, look at the apples. They're so cute. And then you open it. I don't know how it comes out, but okay, here we go. And the apple. So these each have fruit / different kind of smells to them. This is so darn cute. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought. I thought it was going to be like, I don't know, half the size, like, you know, mini. I thought I was going to get it and be like, oh my gosh. This is super cute. It's got a little leaf to it. So cute. I wish it stated the perfume scents. I should look it up, but I'm just we're going to spray. So this comes off. We're going to spray. I'm going to have like a bunch of scents on me today, but that's okay. Okay, oh my gosh, this is cherry, and it smells like bergamot. I love it. It is kind of like a cherry, musky, but not too musky. A little bit of sweet smell. Oh my, this could become like my favorite, and this is so going on my beauty desk. I'm going to keep this packaging. I don't know where I'm going to put it or what I'm going to do with it, but it is so overwhelmingly cute. Seriously, if you guys are interested in any of these for an upcoming giveaway, let me know before they sell out, because I would love to order another one. Now I have the 10% off too. This is the peach one. Again, you have the little emojis, so cute. And then it slides out. Oh my gosh. I wonder why it's smaller than the apple. Because they are all 50 ml, 1.7 ounces. They are all the same amount. They're all 1.7 ounces, 50 ml. Same thing. And then you open that up. We're going to spray this on the other arm. So cute. Okay, this is like a peachy nectar. I can smell, it almost has a hint of grapefruit. It's more of a grapefruity, I don't want to say sour, but it's a little bit on the more peachy grapefruit. Like if you open a peach up and you smell it, mix it with a little bit of grapefruit. It's not bad, but it's just definitely not my favorite. Maybe I'll keep that for a giveaway. Apples, mine. Last but not least, I have the Vibes. This is so flipping cute. Oh my gosh. And you open it up, and there you go. So this, I'm so displaying this on my beauty desk. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. Vibes, baby. Okay, now we're going to spray this one. I don't know how it comes off. Okay, there we go. We're going to spray this one over here at the lower part. Okay, so this is more of a musky, definitely musky. Trying to get the scent in there. It's just really deep and musky. I'm all sniffing my arm. It's just a deep musky kind of smell. I mean, it doesn't really have, there's definitely no fruit involved in that one. Maybe a little bit of patchouli, bergamot, but it's a very, very deep musky smell. These are definitely a fruity, apple, refreshing kind of smell. This is more kind of like a manly kind of musky. I mean, I will wear it, but very seldom. I might actually mix it with another perfume, but the apple is my favorite. This one, it has like a sour, tangy smell to it. This is so my favorite out of the three. Totally my favorite. I do like this, but I will seldomly use it, but I'm displaying it. And this one, I might just put it away for giveaway. All I did was spray it, one spray on my arm. You saw that. I have the box. Let me know if you're interested in that being in an upcoming giveaway, because I think it's super cute. I do like it. You can actually look up on her website the actual notes of the smell, but I can tell you this is so much of a cherry. Oh, it smells so good. They're all good. They are all 50 ml. They all retail for $45 a piece. I absolutely love the boxes, you guys. They are super cute. I didn't expect that. I don't know why. I just thought, you know, I've had some hits and misses with KKW. My last order was an absolute hit. This is so flipping cute. So cute. So anyways, I would love to put maybe this one in a giveaway. Let me know if you're interested. And let me know what you think of the perfumes. Again, I wish I had pulled up the actual scents, but I hope I described it well enough. And if you go on her website, it does list the ingredients in each perfume. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're staying cool. It is so hot. And if you'd like, follow me on Instagram, SusanYoung1974, and on Twitter, SusanYoung2174, and leave your comments below and let me know what you think about these perfumes. If you'd absolutely love one in a giveaway, because I think it would be super cool. I love her body perfume. I have it over here on my desk, and I absolutely love it. So you guys have a wonderful day. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you soon.